Did you know that certain foods can significantly impact the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, one of the most common and devastating neurodegenerative diseases of our time? Today, we will delve into the essence of this connection between your diet and brain, revealing the secrets of how certain foods can protect us or increase the risk of this disease. Today, we will explore 10 everyday ingredients that can either support or harm your brain health. Before diving into how foods can play a crucial role in our brain health, based on the latest scientific research, let's talk a bit about the types of Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease manifests in various forms, each with its own characteristics and challenges. Generally, we can distinguish late-onset Alzheimer's disease, the most common form, affecting mainly people over 65 years old. Early-onset Alzheimer's occurs in people younger than 65 and progresses rapidly, with a strong genetic link through mutations in specific genes. Familial Alzheimer's is a rare form caused by inherited genetic mutations, usually manifesting between 30 and 60 years old. Atypical Alzheimer's includes variants that exhibit unconventional symptoms, such as significant language, vision, and spatial processing problems, or changes in personality and behavior. The connection between what we eat and our brain health is an area of research that has been gaining popularity in recent years. As we study this connection, evidence emerges that our diet impacts not only overall physical health, it has a profound influence on our brain health and the risk of developing diseases like Alzheimer's. Moderate alcohol consumption, especially red wine, has been studied for potential heart and brain health benefits due to antioxidants like resveratrol. However, excessive alcohol consumption has well-documented harmful effects on brain health, contributing to neurodegeneration and increasing the risk of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. Studies have shown that excessive alcohol use can cause brain atrophy, deterioration of brain cell structure and function, and a decrease in brain mass. Research published in The Lancet Public Health found a significant link between excessive alcohol consumption and an increased risk of dementia, especially early-onset dementia. Alcohol disrupts the brain's ability to form new memories and can accelerate the decline of existing cognitive abilities. Moreover, prolonged excessive alcohol use can lead to thiamine deficiency. This can cause serious brain disorders such as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a condition characterized by severe confusion, memory problems, and coordination issues. Opting for complete abstinence, especially for those with a family history of Alzheimer's or concerns about alcohol use, might be most beneficial for long-term brain health. Consuming refined sugars and processed foods is linked to numerous negative effects on brain health, including an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's. These foods, including white bread, sweets, and sugary drinks, can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This not only burdens the metabolic system, but also negatively affects the brain, which is particularly sensitive to fluctuations in glucose levels. Research has shown that elevated blood glucose levels are associated with increased accumulation of amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, frequent consumption of these foods promotes inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive impairments. The recommendation is clear. Limiting these foods in our diet not only protects against metabolic diseases like diabetes, but also plays a key role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases, including saturated fats and trans fats found in red meat, butter, baked goods, and fast food, can negatively affect brain health. These fats raise levels of LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, increasing the risk of atherosclerosis. This condition reduces blood flow to the brain, which can impact the development of Alzheimer's. Moreover, these fats promote inflammation and oxidative stress, processes that deteriorate brain cells and can accelerate cognitive impairments. Research indicates that reducing consumption of saturated fats and trans fats, and preferring unsaturated fats, such as those found in fish and plant oils, can be beneficial for maintaining cognitive health and reducing the risk of dementia. This approach highlights the importance of carefully selecting fat sources in our diet to protect brain health and minimize the risk of Alzheimer's. For instance, blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, natural pigments that give them their blue color. Anthocyanins also belong to polyphenols, plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, which can damage DNA and cause aging and diseases. Anti-inflammatory agents reduce inflammation, which can contribute to chronic diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and Alzheimer's. One of the main benefits of blueberries for the brain is improving memory and executive functions, such as the ability to plan, organize, and multitask. Research has shown that daily consumption of a handful of blueberries for 12 weeks can improve these cognitive skills in older adults, as well as lower their blood pressure and enhance blood vessel function. These effects are likely linked to anthocyanins in blueberries, which can increase blood flow to the brain and modulate neuron and neurotransmitter activity. Another benefit of blueberries for the brain is reducing the risk of dementia, which is a decline in mental abilities affecting memory, language, and reasoning. Similarly, consuming broccoli nourishes our body with nutrients and bioactive compounds that can protect the brain from aging and diseases. Broccoli contains more than the daily requirement of vitamin K, a vitamin directly linked to cognitive function and memory. Vitamin K also helps prevent calcium accumulation in the brain, which can lead to Alzheimer's. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a sulfur compound that can stimulate the growth and repair of nerve tissue in the brain. Sulforaphane can also reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and neuron death, which are factors contributing to neurodegeneration. Broccoli is also a good source of vitamin C, folate, and flavonoids, which are antioxidants that support brain health and prevent damage from free radicals. Antioxidants also help improve blood flow to the brain, necessary for delivering oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. You can eat broccoli raw, steamed, roasted, or added to salads, soups, stir-fries, or casseroles. You can also try broccoli sprouts, which contain even higher levels of sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Excessive salt consumption and high-sodium foods are an increasing public health problem, not only due to their link with hypertension and cardiovascular diseases, but also because of their potential impact on brain health. Research shows that a high-sodium diet can contribute to hypertension, closely linked to an increased risk of Alzheimer's and other forms of dementia. A study published in the journal Neurobiology of Aging indicates a link between midlife hypertension and a higher risk of dementia later in life. Sodium can affect brain health in various ways, including disrupting blood flow to the brain and raising blood pressure, which can damage brain blood vessels and impair its function. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day, aiming for no more than 1,500 milligrams for most adults, especially those at risk of cardiovascular or cognitive diseases. Reducing processed and canned foods, which often contain high amounts of added sodium, and preferring fresh foods and home-cooked meals, can help control sodium intake. Dark chocolate is not only delicious, but also rich in flavonols, plant substances with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Flavonols can improve blood flow to the brain, oxygen levels, nerve function, and even mood. Sounds too good to be true? Here is the evidence. In 2014, a study showed that adults aged 50 to 69 who took a cocoa supplement high in flavonols for 3 months performed better on memory tests than those who took a low flavonol supplement. Another study found that 2 hours after consuming high flavonol dark chocolate, young people had improved memory and reaction times compared to those who consumed low flavonol white chocolate. In 2017, a review concluded that flavonols could beneficially impact brain function by enhancing neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and learn. How much dark chocolate should you eat to get these benefits? There is no definitive answer, but some experts believe that moderate amounts of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, about 1 to 2 ounces per day, can provide some health benefits without adding too much sugar or calories to your diet. Oranges are one of the best sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin C also helps the brain produce neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which regulate mood, memory, and learning. Studies have shown that people with higher blood levels of vitamin C have better cognitive performance and lower risk of dementia compared to those with lower vitamin C levels. Some flavonoids, such as hesperidin and neriritin, found exclusively in citrus fruits, have been shown to improve memory and cognition in animal and human studies. Experts recommend eating at least 1 orange a day, or drinking a glass of 100% orange juice to meet your daily vitamin C needs. Regular consumption of red meat and processed meat products can be harmful to brain health due to the high content of saturated fats and heme iron. While the body needs iron for proper functioning, heme iron found in these meat products can accelerate the production of free radicals, contributing to oxidative stress and brain cell damage. This oxidative stress process is associated with the development of Alzheimer's disease, as it can lead to neuron degeneration and cognitive impairments. Studies show that reducing the intake of red meat and processed meat in favor of healthier protein sources, such as fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids and poultry, can help protect the brain and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And what about nuts? Nuts are an excellent source of nutrition for the brain, especially for people over 50. Walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and peanuts are some of the nuts beneficial for brain health. Walnuts are particularly good because they contain omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, and other nutrients with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Almonds and hazelnuts are also rich in vitamin E, which is associated with a lower age-related cognitive decline. Peanuts are high in niacin, which has been linked to a lower incidence of cognitive impairments and Alzheimer's disease. Research has shown that consuming more than 10 grams of nuts per day can improve cognitive functions by 60% compared to those who do not eat nuts. The recommended amount is about 60 grams or a quarter cup of mixed nuts per day. However, nuts are also high in calories, so be mindful of portion sizes and balance nut consumption with other healthy foods. Whole grains and legumes are excellent sources of fiber, B vitamins, and minerals essential for proper brain function. Fiber helps maintain stable blood glucose levels, which is crucial for the brain, as it relies on glucose as its primary energy source. B vitamins, especially folate, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12, play a significant role in reducing homocysteine levels, an amino acid whose high levels are associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. Studies published in the journal Neurology point to a diet rich in these nutrients as a key factor in preventing cognitive decline and maintaining optimal brain health. Including these foods in your diet not only nourishes the body, but also strengthens the brain, significantly contributing to the prevention of Alzheimer's disease and maintaining healthy cognitive function throughout life. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining cognitive health as you age. However, before making significant changes to your diet, it's always beneficial to consult with a doctor. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful information. Thank you for watching.